for not really explaining what was going on, but today we are going, well, we're at a pumpkin patch. It's called Roca Farm. It's really fun. That was the haunted house. Oh, look at this.
Take a picture right here.
That's fun. But I'm just gonna be taking you along with me today and having fun. So, soon we get somewhere cool. I got a mango slush, so did he. Mom, what'd you get? What'd you get? I don't know what they got. Me and Tyler are about to go on a zip line ride, and I'm super excited. Doesn't look that bad, but it's still very high. So I'm gonna be filmed on my brother's phone, and if he doesn't send it to me, I'm sure I'll find it and I'll show you. So I'll see you there. I'm so scared. Wow, this is so fun. Ow, that hurts. That hurts. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're about to go through a corn maze. Lost in this corn maze, and I really have to go to the bathroom, and I don't know how to get out. All I know is that this is a dead end, so I'm out. Okay, so we just left the pumpkin patch, well, we're just leaving right now, and now we're gonna go to McDonald's and get some food, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to the movies, and we're gonna go see Miss Peregrine's Home for Killer. Super excited. So right now it's my aunt, my mom, and me. And then Joe and Tyler are in their car over there. And so yeah, I'll see you at McDonald's. So we're getting ready to leave, and we're on our way to the movie. We have an extra 45 minutes. It's gonna be fun. So we're at the movie theater. We're about to go see that movie. I'm so excited. I've wanted to see this ever since the trailer came out. So yeah, I'll see you after the movie. So we're at the theater. We just got we're gonna get a drink, and we already got our candy. Skittles, and the movie starts in 2 minutes, and we're still not in there for our seats, so whatever. Feel straws. Have fun. So I will see you when the movie gets over, because you probably can't film in there. I mean, you obviously can't. So I'll see you when the movie's over. Bye! So today was super fun. It was, oh my god, I loved it. So yeah, that was my day at a pumpkin patch, going to the movies. The movies, yes, let me talk about that. I forgot I didn't really talk about it. The movies was amazing. Oh my gosh, I loved that movie. But the sad thing is that I'm not really finished reading the book. I'm still in the middle of it. So I kind of knew some things, but then I didn't know some things. And so the end, can't really say much about like the book difference and stuff. But the beginning, what I read was spot on, so yeah, you like my room. It's pretty spooky. But yeah, the movie was amazing. I loved it. I would recommend it for anyone. Just anyone. And yeah, today was really fun. And I said that a billion times now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed because I'm tired and I have class tomorrow. I got to go to school. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Ooh, sorry, I dropped my phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!